Okay everyone, so we have our first unboxing. So this is called Funbox Friday. Every Friday join us and check back to our channel and we are going to unbox different items. So what I thought of was we always get Amazon deliveries and some other different boxes of a variety of things. And so what I thought was I would do a video each Friday and I'm going to give away some different products sometimes. So check back each Friday to see if that's one of the Fridays I'm going to give away something I have in my unboxing. So this will happen often. You're just going to have to follow directions. You may be one of the people I give something to on Fridays, Funbox Friday unboxing. So check this out. This is from gotmountainlife.com and this is my son Jordan.
Hi guys.
Chef Jordan is what they call him and he loves to cook. Got Mountain Life is a variety of recipes and food stuff that comes from Tennessee recipes. So this should be interesting. What do you have in there? Alright, so we got to get it out of the bubble wrap as we go. Give you an idea what we have. So what do we have here?
AJ's Mountain Recipes. Moonshine barbecue sauce.
Moonshine barbecue sauce. I'm guessing that is what they're probably known for. That's a pretty popular product. So Chef Jordan here started cooking pretty heavily during the pandemic and he became pretty popular on my Facebook, private Facebook. I would just share him with family and friends because he loves to cook. And if you are someone you know has a product that you would like to share, either having to do with cooking or not, we can do an unboxing for you.
So we got another Grandma's Old Braids wilted lettuce salad dressing. Fireball glaze and barbecue sauce. We have beer bourbon barbecue sauce. Next we have Papa Frank's moonshine infused pickles. Now we have hot pepper jelly. Sweet and sassy mountain relish. Monkey see monkey butter.
We just got done unboxing and what we have here is AJ's Mountain Recipes, which is gotmountainlife.com, hot pepper jelly, Papa Frank's moonshine infused moonshine pickles, Grandma O'Brad's wilted lettuce salad dressing, Appalachian moonshine barbecue, fireball glaze and barbecue sauce, beer bourbon barbecue, and some sweet and sassy mountain relish, monkey seed monkey butter. And we have little Chef Jordan here who loves to cook. He's going to be testing these recipes out. Which one do you think Chef Jordan should use first? Which one do you think he'll use first? Comment below. If you have any recipe ideas too, that would be fantastic. Do you know which one you're going to use first?
I'll probably use a combination.
Alright, and where are you going to find those recipes? Do you know yet?
No.
Alright, so we're going to check it out. We're going to look up some recipes, probably on gotmountainlife.com. Some different ideas. We're going to look in the comments below to see what you have. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Jordan's cooking channel, Chef Jordan. We'll bring you some recipes and some other things that he's interested in. But for now, subscribe. And again, come back on Fridays for Funbox Friday. And you may be the recipient of some products that we unbox on Fridays. Thanks for watching, guys. Home Business Expert. And see you in the next video.